Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English conversation practice. In this video, you will listen to a long and natural conversations. Two sisters are talking about their day, school, food, feelings, free time, and future plans. You don't need to understand every word. Just listen, relax, and enjoy the conversation. Let's begin.
Hi, how are you feeling today?
Hi, I'm feeling good, but a little tired.
I see. Did you have a long day?
I did. I woke up very early today.
What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 6 in the morning.
That's early. What was the first thing you did?
First, I stayed in bed for a few minutes. Then I got up.
I do that too. What did you do after you got up?
I brushed my teeth, washed my face, and got dressed.
Did you eat breakfast at home?
Yes, I did. I ate eggs and bread.
Did you drink coffee or milk?
I drank milk. I don't like coffee.
That's okay. Milk is good for you. How did you go to school today?
I went to school by car.
Who did you go with?
I went with my parents.
Was there a lot of traffic?
Yes, there was. We arrived a little late.
Oh no, how did you feel?
I felt nervous, but everything was fine.
Tell me about your classes today.
My first class was English.
That's great. What did you learn?
We learned new words and practiced reading.
Was it easy or difficult?
It was a little difficult, but interesting.
That's good. Learning new things is always a challenge. What classes did you have after English?
I had math.
Do you like math?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Why not?
Because some problems are very hard.
That's normal. Did the teacher help you?
Yes, she explained it again.
That's good. Never be afraid to ask for help. What did you do for lunchtime?
I ate lunch with my friends.
What did you eat?
I ate rice, beans, and chicken.
Did you like it?
Yes, it was very good.
How did you feel in the afternoon?
I felt tired and a little sleepy.
What do you do when you feel sleepy at school?
I drink water and try to pay attention.
That's a good habit. What did you do after school?
After school, I went home.
Did you rest or study first?
I rested for a short time and then I did my homework.
Do you usually do your homework alone?
Yes, but sometimes I ask for help.
That's good. Homework helps you learn. What do you do when you're done with your homework?
I watch TV or play on my phone.
What do you like to watch?
I like cartoons and short videos.
Do you watch videos in English?
Yes, sometimes.
That's great. It helps your English a lot. Do you like speaking English?
Yes, but I feel shy sometimes.
That's okay. Everyone feels shy sometimes.
I want to speak better and feel confident.
And you will. Practice makes progress. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like drawing, listening to music, and play games.
Which do you like the most?
I like drawing the most.
When do you usually draw?
I draw when I feel calm and happy.
That's wonderful. What do you usually do in the evening?
In the evening, I eat dinner with my family.
Do you talk during dinner?
Yes, we talk about our day.
That's very nice. What time do you go to bed?
We go to bed at 9 o'clock.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, most of the time.
Sleeping well is very important. What are your plans for tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I want to study, help at home, and practice English.
Those are great plans.
I want to have a good day tomorrow.
And you will. Every day is a new chance to learn. This conversation shows you that you can use simple English every day. You don't need perfect English, you just need practice. Listen again, repeat the sentence, practice with a friend, a family member, or even alone. Little by little, your English will improve. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.